We are sharing screen. I hope you all can see. Is this visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any voice problem or anything? Please,
No, sir,
No,
nothing.
sir. No, sir.
nothing.
No, sir.
So we are starting this
Yes, sir.
with Wix.com. Okay. Again, we are going to discuss about Wix.com because Wix is very big platform. With the help of Wix.com, you can create online website, you can create educational website, you can create learning management system, you can create a customized and a beautiful design website with the help of Wix.com. I always tell you all, please attend before 5 to 10 minutes because I log in every day 5:50 and I am waiting 10 minutes for everyone and after 6 I always see some of participants are coming due to network problem, so that's no worry. So today we are going to discuss about artificial design intelligence tool. So first we will
Good
discuss.
evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. So today we will discuss about the artificial artificial design intelligence. One more unique thing I want to tell you all, you can also create your own online presence, an online shopping website without any coding with the help of Wix.com. Wix editor total design freedom provide you, and also there are some more features available. So today we are going to discuss about this topic. Wix artificial design and get online fast. With the help of Wix artificial design intelligence, you can answer some few simple questions, and Wix artificial design intelligence will instantly build a personalized website for you all. And the website will be completed with custom text and images, and you can choose your own style and change the layout and add any feature you needed for your business or website. So I'm clicking here on get started. Today topic is this, and tomorrow we will discuss with theme how you can create a beautiful website with help of Wix. So I'm logging in. As you all can see here, some more website I have created. Some of them are not published, so I'm moving them to trash because I don't need this type of website now. We will create a new website with the help of Wix artificial design intelligence. Digital Guru Satish is also an old website, so we will move it to trash. If you want to delete anything, you can delete like this. So if you click on go to trash, you can see your old deleted website, and also you can create some new folders here with the help of create new folder. Here you can also hire a professional for create your own website. So
Sir,
there,
trash is like a recycle bin, right?
yeah, that is like recycle bin for you.
Okay, so we can restore from that.
Yes, I'm clicking on trash,
Okay.
and now I can restore from here. Restore site. You can see here site action,
Yes, sir. Now got it.
restore and remove from here. Whenever you delete any site, that also give you an opportunity and functionality, so you can restore your own website again.
Okay, sir.
Now I'm going to create a new website with artificial design intelligence. So we will click here, click create a new site. And what kind of website do you want to create? So you can create a restaurant or food website. You can create a beauty and wellness website. You can create your own portfolio and CV website. You can create photography, online store. Many of you are interested on online store, I think. So shall we start with that? Many of you want to sell online, na? So
Sir,
today we will start
portfolio and CV.
portfolio and CV. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So we will start with portfolio and CV. Okay. So there are two options you can see here. Choose one of them. Let Wix artificial design intelligence to create a website for you. Answer few simple question and automatically get a website design just for you in minutes. And here is second option available, which you can see. Create your website with the editor. Editor means there are a lot of themes available. With the help of these themes, you can select a theme, you can pick a theme, you can edit all the layouts, you can put your all the images, and you can create a good website. So we will start with this option. Okay, we will answer some example and we will create our own Wix website. So I'm clicking on start now. When I click on start now, one more page will appear. In this page, we can see some suggestions like enter your business or website type. So as you all know, my website is now a portfolio website. Okay, a CV or a portfolio you can. Portfolio means detailed information about yourself, about your work, about your
Sir, CV indicates for?
curriculum vital. Curriculum vital means
Okay, resume. Okay,
resume.
okay.
No, CV and resume both are different.
Yeah, sir.
You always
Sir,
think that
one
they
is
are the
for
same
work
thing.
experience and one is for freshers.
Yes, resume.
Yeah, okay.
Resume is for resume is for experienced person. CV
Yeah, sir.
CV is for curriculum vitae, where all the detailed information about your work experience and everything. Okay.
Yeah, educational qualification,
Yes.
family
So
background. Okay.
whenever you go for your professional job or anything, in this time they not ask for your
Hmm.
resume, they ask for your CV, curriculum vitae. Okay. So we will start
Yes,
with
sir.
portfolio, and which type of portfolio you want to create. uh, Film student, art portfolio, programming, digital media portfolio. Okay, digital media, no. Logo design, marketing, writing, fashion writing. There are a lot of options available. So I'm selecting now जो मुझे आता है. टेक्निकल पोर्टफोलियो जैसे कुछ हो अगर, social media marketing portfolio, for example. Okay, I'm selecting this and clicking on next. Social media marketing means you can advertise with the help of social media and reach to the millions of audience. If you learn with us, we can also teach you how you can reach 1 lakh audience, 1 lakh audience with only investing 2000 rupees on advertisement, 2000 only. Okay, and if you want to create something, you always need to invest something. Okay, so in this time, what do you need on your new website? I need chat application, I need a blog, I need an Instagram feed where I will see my all the pics, and I will also add video. Click on next. Add the name of your business name. My business name is Digital SMS Wala. Okay, I'm clicking on next. Existing websites, yes, we have existing website available, which is Digital SMS Wala.info, and that is under construction now. And place Smriti Nagar, Bhilai, स्मृति नगर भिलाई. चलो ठीक है, ये सेलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. रिव्यू अवेलेबल इमेजेस. ओके.
सर बट अभी तो हमारे पास कोई वेबसाइट होगी नहीं ना, क्योंकि अभी तो हम वही बना रहे.
हाँ हाँ, अगर अगर आपके पास है तो आप इसको भर दीजिए. ओके, इफ यू हैव, वरना देयर इज ए ऑप्शन अवेलेबल स्किप.
ओके सर.
Skip option is also available here. Okay, so don't worry about that.
ओ या.
Click on next and loading some images and importing your images to your new site. What type of images is uploading? A home. Okay. Okay, no problem. Google Places. import it. We can change this image. We will click on logo, then we will select logo from here. I don't have logo. I think I have. Okay. This is the folder, I think. Okay, we will use this now. Digital SMS wala, I have logo, but this is not showing. All files. 1 second. Replace it. Replace it with my own logo. I have logo in my download folder, maybe. Neha. Okay, so we will use this. In this time, we are using this as a logo. So my logo is here, my email address is here, my address is here, my phone number is this. This is not my phone number. We will edit it. Okay. 7987092522.
सर लोगो भी स्किप कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ, लोगो स्किप कर सकते हैं. वो आपके लिए एक ऑलरेडी कस्टमाइज लोगो बना के रखा हुआ था ना उसमें. अब बाद में बना के उसको एडिट कर सकते हैं. नो प्रॉब्लम. You can make and you can edit in any time. Social media link you can add here. In evening, lot of kids playing. Pick a theme which you like. So my favorite color, blue. Want to create a color palette from your logo? Color palette means that will select some colors from your logo and use this palette to design your own website. Okay, use these colors. So pick your favorite homepage design. Which type of homepage do you want? This type, this type, this type. So choose anyone. It's not working. Okay, okay. Now this is. So which type of homepage do you want? This is providing you some suggestions. So if you select any of them, your site will look like the same homepage design. I think I have clicked on one design, and due to the network connectivity, we have not seen that in which design I have clicked. So we will see after loading sometime what we will get. So this font and colors will be used to design your site. Again, I'm on previous page. And now I will pick one design from here due to some network fault that is happening. Yes. So if you want to select a homepage design, you can select from here. And if you don't want to select, you can click on skip button. Okay. So I'm selecting this one. This is looking good. Okay. So after selecting one home page, this is adding your page some features, and after some time, this will create a landing page for your website. Landing page, a page which is a front page of your website where your all the offers, your slides, your information is present. So let's see and wait for some minutes. Okay, so you can see here the artificial design intelligence is created a design for your, and here is your slider section. Here is your client section. Okay, here is your image section, your digital strategy, lead generation, content marketing, your video channel. If you want to add, you can add here, your Instagram feed. Okay, we will change them all. So first I will start from header. This is showing you a suggestion. www.digitalismswala.com is available. Don't want to connect now. Start customizing your site. Click. So edit. Click on edit. When I click on edit, you can see here section design is present. If you want to change the section design, you can change it like this. There are a lot of suggestions. You can choose any one of them. So this is good. Okay, this is good. And after that, I'm going back. Title, Digital SMS Wala, subtitle, a result driven strategies. Paragraph, if you want to include, you can include here. Edit and replace, if you want to edit or replace this particular theme, you can edit or replace from here. You can add here a button name. You can see here learn more button. Okay, so you can change the color of button also, and also you can add more buttons. First is learn more, second is get quote. Get quote means you can get some quotation from us. If you want to do something for social media marketing, you can get your quotation here. So this is looking fine, not good but fine. Now we are going to edit the header section. So business name is here. Your phone number you can add here. Any button if you want to add, you can add here. And now publish your website. When you click on publish, you can see here choose a domain to publish your site. And if you don't have any domain, use a freewix.com domain. Publish and continue. And when you click on publish and continue, you can see here this is publishing your website. We need some time. This is this is creating your website for publishing, adding features on your website, and also preparing your design with all the added features. And now within some minutes the site will be published, and after publishing, if you edit some section, if you upload some more sections and images, that will be very beneficial for you. You can design your website according to your needs. Okay, I'm only teaching you how you can create. Okay, so I'm here clicking on view site, and you can see here this is my home page where in left side my logo is present. When I click on home, what I will get, let's see. Image is not appearing here, but Digital SMS Wala, a result driven strategies, is here. Client section is also present here. All the images, digital strategy, call to action button here, lead generation. Ritika Chaudhary is trying to join now, but no, too late now. Content marketing section is also here. You can see lead generation section is also here.
Sir,
Yes, please. Video
sir, if
channel.
we want to go for affiliate marketing,
Yes.
so the website creation is the very first step.
If you want to go for affiliate marketing, this time we not select wix.com. We go through the wordpress.com. WordPress is very easy
Okay.
for creating affiliate marketing website and also for creating online website and anything. Wix is also so easy, but if you are a good designer, then you can design. But in
But sir, for WordPress, we have must a domain and host.
no, that is not must. This is also providing you
Okay.
a free domain like this. Your name plus wordpress.com, like this we can see here, your name dot wixsite.com website. Here you
Yes, sir,
can,
I want to learn the WordPress.
if you want to learn WordPress, we will teach you after completing the Wix, because
Okay.
in our syllabus we also added wordpress.com. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so you can
Yeah.
see here your site is created. Here is your heading section. You can create some more menus and some more pages. I will also teach you that tomorrow, how you can add some more pages and some more menus here. How you can, here is your slider. You can see here, after every 2 seconds that is sliding, you can add here some more images if you want. When you go down, some more facilities you see here. There is lot of noise today, so we are closing this presentation today now, and I will teach you tomorrow how you can add more pages, more menus, and also how you can create this website very uh, beautiful, and how you can design a good layout. Okay, so that's all for today.
Okay,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I'm closing. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
thank you. मोहम्मद सर, अगर हमने अपने फेसबुक पेज या इंस्टाग्राम पेज की लिंक वहां पर देनी है तो दे सकते हैं. यस, यू कैन गिव मोहम्मद. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. इफ यू वांट टू गिव, देयर इज वन ऑप्शन अवेलेबल फॉर social link. You can share and also you can add social link. Okay, which are in beginning I told you that when we was adding logo, in this time in bottom one social link option was present. Okay, when you start creating with artificial design intelligence, now you can learn about that. Okay, okay, no problem, Mohammed. Anyone? uh, okay, no chats, no. Okay, so I'm closing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Rajat Anand.
No, sir. No, sir. Thank you, बोलना.
Thank you. Okay.